Welcome back to the checkout guide. In this tutorial, I will tell you how to apply a cap discount automatically for tagged customers in your Shopify store. So if you are new to the channel, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So for this, I have used this next discount cap and limit app from Shopify App Store. I have also attached the link of this app in the description box. You can check it out. Once installed, go to your Shopify admin panel. Then search for Next Discounts app. Then click on Create New Discount. So now we will enter the discount title as flat 10% off. Now click on Automatic Discount and then click on percentage and enter the discount in percentage 10 and enter the capping amount as 200 and then select discount applies to all products. Then you can also enter the discount message here. This will be shown to the customer when they apply the discount. And then you have any minimum purchase requirements, then you can select it from here. Here I am selecting no minimum purchase requirements. And for customer eligibility, select customer has tag. And here you can enter the discount tag, that is VIP customer. Then here you can also add the start date and time and end date and time. And if you want to combine this product discount with any another discount, then you can also select that. Then you can save your changes. Then go to the customer section. Here you can select any of your customer. And on the right side here, you can add the tag of VIP customer. And then save your changes. And now you can just copy that particular customer's email ID and go to checkout. You can add any product to your cart and proceed to checkout. So now we will enter that particular customer's email ID here. And now we will enter the test address. So here you can see the discount has been automatically applied and 10% or 5,000 is 500. But here you can see we have added the capping amount of 200. That's why total savings is only 200. Now we will just remove that particular customer's email ID and we will proceed to the checkout. So here you can see that discount is not applying automatically because we didn't enter that customer's email ID. So that's it. You have successfully added a cap discount automatically for the customers in your Shopify store. So if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy selling.